Welcome, I'm Carmella, and I will be your guide on today's meditation journey. We will explore the soothing essence of rain, reminding ourselves that a little rain won't hurt. As we immerse ourselves in the imagery of rain, let's embrace the calming and rejuvenating power of nature. As we get started, find yourself a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. You may close your eyes or hold a soft gaze. Now, take a deep cleansing breath in and slowly let it out, releasing any tension. Now, let us begin. It's a rainy day. You're sitting in your favorite room, listening to the rain hit the window pane. There's a rhythm. Allow yourself to gently sway along to it. Then allow your breathing to connect to it. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Let that become your peace. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. As you gently sway to the music of the rain. You continue your breathing and gentle swaying. Start to visualize yourself dancing in the rain outside. How that rhythm makes you move. How that rain feels upon your skin. How the air around you smells. Take it all in, connecting with nature. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Continue to move. Allow yourself to connect with the emotions that are showing up for you right now. That joy, that delight, that sense of freedom, that exuberance. Connect with all of it. It's part of who you are. In fact, it is who you truly are. No one can take that away from you, especially not in this moment. It's okay to be you. So enjoy the rain. Enjoy the dancing. Be one with it. Time for a change of scenery. Imagine yourself in a lush green forest, surrounded by tall trees. The air is fresh, and the scent of the rain is in the air. You can hear the gentle patter of raindrops all around you. Picture a gentle rain shower. The droplets landing softly on the leaves and the ground. Feel the coolness of the rain on your skin. Isn't it refreshing and invigorating? Begin walking along a narrow path, feeling the soft earth beneath your feet. The rain falls gently, creating a soothing melody as it hits the leaves above you. Notice how the colors of the forest seem more vibrant in the rain, and how everything seems to glisten with moisture. As you walk, let go of any worries or stress, allowing the calming energy of the forest and the rain to wash over you. Continue walking until you come to a clearing where you can see the rain falling in a gentle curtain around you. Take a moment to stand in this peaceful oasis, feeling completely in one with nature. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now allow yourself to return to your normal breath. As you continue to breathe, imagine the rain beginning to taper off and a soft glow appearing in the sky. Slowly, a rainbow starts to form, its colors vivid against the backdrop of the clearing sky. Watch in awe as the rainbow stretches across the horizon, its colors blending and merging into a beautiful arc of light. Feel a sense of wonder and joy as you witness this natural phenomenon, a symbol of hope and beauty after the rain. As we gaze upon the rainbow, let it remind us of the beauty that resides within each of us. Just as every hue blends harmoniously to form this magnificent arc of light, so do our unique qualities come together to create the tapestry of humanity. The rainbow is a symbol of unity, reminding us that we are all connected, all part of the same spectrum of existence. It reflects the beauty of diversity and the beauty of the world, each element essential for the whole to shine brightly. In its vivid colors, we see the infinite power, love, and compassion of the universe, manifesting in the world around us and within us. Let the rainbow be a gentle reminder that even after the darkest of storms, beauty and light can emerge, illuminating our path with hope and promise. As we come to the end of this meditation, remember that just like the rainbow, you are a beautiful and unique expression of light and color in the world. Carry this sense of wonder and beauty with you as you go about your day, and know that A little rain won't hurt. It can even bring moments of unexpected beauty and joy. Now it's time to return to the present moment. Sit up if you were laying down. Open your eyes if they were closed. Allow yourself to feel refreshed and rejuvenated. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Until next time, I'm Carmella. Have a great day.